2026, the US is going to start building 5 megaprojects that will change computing and AI, energy supply, and cross-country transport. Historically, the United States has been behind some of the most ambitious engineering projects ever undertaken, from the Hoover Dam to the Apollo space program, from the Golden Gate Bridge to the Panama Canal, from the interstate highway system to the Empire State Building. The US is no stranger to megaprojects. The first of these new megaprojects is technically not a single project, but a collection of them. Across multiple states, next-generation data centers and dedicated power infrastructure are beginning construction to support artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and rapidly rising electricity demand. Without large-scale computing capacity and reliable power, none of the industries driving modern economic growth can function. That demand, in turn, flows directly into the physical world. Next up is Louisiana's ultra-low carbon steel plant. This will be a nearly $6 billion ultra-low carbon steel plant using electric arc furnace technology. The facility will significantly reduce emissions compared to traditional blast furnace steel making. Steel remains essential to infrastructure, energy systems, transportation, and construction at every scale. This project reflects how heavy industry is adapting to environmental and economic pressures without abandoning its central role in modern development. As computing and manufacturing expand, energy becomes the next constraint. This leads us on to the LNG export terminal and pipeline. Also in Louisiana, this liquefied natural gas export terminal and pipeline network is set to break ground at a cost of $15 billion. The project will move US natural gas from domestic production regions to international markets, increasing export capacity at a time of global energy volatility. Next on the list is Brightline West. Between Las Vegas and Southern California, Brightline West is developing a $21 billion high-speed rail line designed to connect two of the fastest-growing regions in the United States. Trains are expected to reach speeds of up to 200 miles per hour, offering an alternative to highway congestion and short-haul flights. If completed as planned, this line could serve as a model for future intercity rail development across the country. All of these projects, however, ultimately converge on one industry. This brings us to the final megaproject on the list, the TSMC Arizona Semiconductor Complex. In Arizona, the Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company is investing up to $165 billion in a massive semiconductor manufacturing and research complex. The site will include multiple advanced fabrication plants capable of producing some of the world's most sophisticated computer chips. These components underpin artificial intelligence, consumer electronics, cloud infrastructure, and national defense systems. For decades, the most advanced semiconductor manufacturing has been concentrated outside the United States. This project represents a strategic effort to re-establish domestic capacity in one of the most critical technologies of the modern era. Combined, these 5 megaprojects reflect a shift in how and why the United States builds. Construction begins in 2026, but their impacts will shape the country for decades to come. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we'd recommend watching this video next, and we'd be eternally grateful if you'd like to subscribe for more content. See you soon.